Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita, and if you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button. Today is day 3 of our 21-day challenge in 2021. So let's begin today. We're going to do a Pilates little session on our backs. So lying on your backs, and let's just place our hands on our belly and take a nice big exhale and a nice big inhale. Exhaling anything out that's not serving you in this moment on your mat, and inhale presence for the next 10 minutes for you to really just focus on yourself. Let's place the hands down on the mat, and we're just going to gently tilt our tailbone up and down slightly. And then we're going to just center it. We're going to find neutral spine. So how we find neutral spine, make a diamond. Place it on your pubic bone and the thumbs just underneath your belly button, and imagine you've got a marble there, so you're bringing the marble towards your thumbs, and then as you exhale you're bringing the marble towards your forefinger, towards your thumbs and forefinger, and then in the middle of that is when the marble is in between the diamond, in the middle of the diamond, that's your neutral spine. That's what you want to maintain. Let's bring the hands beside on top of your thighs, and we're just going to inhale, exhale, just slide up and down. Sliding up and down. Sliding up and down. And really when you come up, pull the belly button in towards your spine. Let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, see if you can reach up a little bit higher, 2, 1, and pulse, pulse, pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hug those knees in. We're going to keep the knees up this time, and we're going to bring the hands behind our head. We're going to inhale, exhale, lift, and we're going to twist for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hugging those knees in. This time we're going to have the hands behind to the ceiling, and we're going to have one hand up and one hand near our hips. We're going to inhale, exhale, reach, opposite hand, opposite foot for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hug your knees in, and we're going to do the other side, extending those legs up, one hand knee on the mat and one hand up over your head. We're going to inhale, exhale, reach up and bring the hand down for 10. Exhale as you come up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Hugging your knees. Breathing in, breathing out. We're going to extend those legs up, hands behind your head. Last little bit for the abs. Inhale, exhale, lift, pause and down. Up, pause and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up, pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug those knees in. Have a little rock one way. Have a little rock the other way. So we're going to roll over to the side, and we're going to work our glute muscles. So coming down onto your shoulder, knees together, hip on top of hip, knee on top of knee. Toes are together, and we're just going to open, close. So keep your abs pulled in, open, close. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this time, lift the foot up and the knee up for 10, 9, 8. Control it up, control it down. 7, 6. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to bring our toes up and open up the knees. So one knee stays on the mat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. And then we're going to come up onto our elbows. We're going to have the toe pointing down. We're going to lift up and down, up and down, up and down for 10, 9, abs pulled in, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Tap it out. Let's do the other side. Coming down on your shoulder. Bending the knees. Open, close, open, close. For 10. Abs pulled in. 9, 8, 7, 6. Really great moves to tighten up the glute area. 2, 1. Knee and foot up. Abs pulled in for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes together, lifting up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Coming up onto your elbow underneath your shoulder, legs nice and long, top leg, toe pointing down, lifting up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Should have felt that. Let's just come onto our hands and knees. Let's inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Tuck the toes under and coming into our downward facing dog, walking out. Left, right, left, right. We're stretching out the glute muscles. So really bend one knee, exaggerate that bend. Bring the feet together, bending the knees, taking the knees over to one side, the hips over to the other. Change sides. And breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, lift up the right leg, bend the knee, open up the hip. We're going to stretch out those glutes. We've just worked, taking that foot to the opposite hand, extend that back leg, coming down into our pigeon. Breathing in and breathing out. Stretching out that glute we've just worked. 2 more breaths. And change sides. Coming back into the downward facing dog, walking it out. And then we're going to lift up the left leg, bend the knee, open up the hip, take that left foot to the right hand, extend the back leg, coming down. Rotating slightly your hip to your heel if you want to deepen the stretch. And 2 more breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Beautiful. Bring the hands back, tuck the back toe under, back into downward facing dog. Let's just bring the knees down. Let's melt the heart down. Opening up our chest. Breathing in and breathing out, and breathing in and breathing out. And these little 10-minute classes are such a good way of fitting in a little bit of self-care for your body, mind and spirit, and creating a little habit just for you to look after yourself and nurture your body, and just checking into what's been happening. Coming up to sitting. Sitting cross-legged. Sitting nice and tall. Let's just roll the shoulders back. Roll the shoulders forward. Turn your head side to side. And then up. Then roll the shoulders back and forward. Bring your hand over and change sides. Come into sitting. Take a nice big exhale for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. Just take a moment to acknowledge your commitment today for adding a little bit of self-care time for you. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. Inhale each one of those things into your body. Exhale gratitude out into the universe. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Well done, beautiful souls. Thank you for joining me today. And I appreciate you taking that time. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.